Welcome to this tutorial video where we'll explore the job requisition feature in Manitoll. With this feature, you can create customized job requisition forms for guest users to submit their requests through the guest portal. Please note that the actions demonstrated in this video can only be performed by admin users. Now, before we dive in, let's make sure the job requisitions feature is enabled. Here's how you can do it. Click on Administration in the menu. Open the Features category, select Job Requisitions, and then Status. You can then enable the feature by toggling the switch to the On position. Now that the feature is enabled, let's get started with creating your first job requisition form by following these simple steps. Open the Forms menu, click on the Create Form button, give the form a name. For example, let's name it Marketing Team. Click Save to create the form. You will then be able to access the form by clicking on Configure Fields. Let's continue by adding the necessary fields for hiring a digital marketing specialist. Set up a job description field as a long text field for entering the job description. Add a max salary field as a number field to input the maximum salary for the job. Include a required skills field as a text field to list the necessary skills for the job. Add a starting date field to enter the start dates for the job. Create an SEO certification required field as a Boolean to indicate if SEO certification is necessary for the job. As we've just shown, Manitoll offers a range of field types to cater to your specific needs. Let's take a closer look at each type. Text field. Guests can enter a brief text with a limit of 255 characters. Long text field. Guests can enter a longer text without any character limit. Date field. Guests can enter a specific date. Number field. Guests can input a numeric value. Boolean field. Guests can select between two options, either yes or no. We have successfully set up the job requisition form, so you can now leave the form creation page. The form will immediately be available for guests to use in the guest portal. To rename or delete a form, simply click on the three dots and select Edit or Delete from the drop-down menu. To make changes to the fields in a form, click on the Configure Fields option. This will allow you to edit and customize the form's fields according to your requirements. You can make a field mandatory by toggling on the Required button to ensure that guests fill in the field when using the form. To rearrange fields in your job requisition form, you can drag and drop the fields to the desired position. You can also remove fields by clicking on them and selecting Delete. And that's it. By following these steps, you're now qualified to create your own job requisition forms, allowing guests to start creating requisitions. Thank you for watching this tutorial video.